Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Lynn Blankenship. She's Metcalfe County Extension Agent for Family and Consumer Sciences. Today, you are going to be talking to us about common pantry items that have many uses.
So food grade products, things that you have in your pantry, like oatmeal, apple cider vinegar, honey, baking soda. Um, Food grade products are the highest level of product that you can have and use on your body or in your body. So you have cosmetics are generally made from cosmetic grade products, which are a step down from food grade. Okay. If you're using something that was purchased commercially made, like a salve or something, chances are the oils in it weren't food grade oils, they were cosmetic grade oils. If you have sensitive skin or anything like that, you can save a lot of money and you can save a lot of skin itching and problems by using common items like this that don't have any added scents or preservatives, to treat things, common skin maladies like bug bites and poison ivy and dry skin and sunburn and things like that relatively safely. Mostly everybody is going to have things like baking soda in their cabinet, for example. Baking soda is so versatile. It can be used as a skin polishing, exfoliating scrub. It's actually recommended as a treatment for a poison ivy rash, on the NIH and the CDC websites. If you look up how to treat poison ivy on those websites, one of the things they recommend is baking soda paste. Another thing they recommend as a home remedy is colloidal oatmeal. So you take regular oatmeal and you blend it in a blender or use a coffee grinder and you make it into a very fine powder, which turns it into colloidal oatmeal. And what that means is you can mix that with water, and because it's so fine, it will make a soothing liquid that you can spread on dry skin, on rashes and things like that. And that takes down the swelling, it takes out redness, and it treats very effectively. Those pantry staples, you can save a lot of money. If you think about the common store brand treatment for poison ivy is calamine lotion. It's going to be about $4 a bottle for a store brand calamine lotion, almost double that for a name brand. And for a couple of pennies, you can use a little bit of baking soda, mix it with some water and put it on, and actually have maybe even a better outcome than you would have using the calamine lotion.
Lynn, are there any cautions that we need to consider when utilizing these home remedies?
Yes. With the baking soda on the box, if you have a box of baking soda, it tells you how to use it as an antacid. This is not something you should do on a regular basis because it's a type of sodium, which is salt. And most people need to limit the amount of sodium they take in every day. Most of us get more than we need. So that's something that, after Thanksgiving dinner, if you don't normally have acid reflux and you don't keep medicine for that around, but you've had a big dinner once a year or twice a year and you're really suffering, yes, you can take that baking soda and use it as an antacid following the directions on the box safely. But it's not something that you want to use every day, and you don't want to use it in conjunction with prescription medications. And apple cider vinegar can be also used on the skin as a treatment for sunburn, but you should never use it full strength. You should always dilute it. Right. So if you're going to use a home remedy like that, it's worth just looking it up on a reliable website and find the right way to use that item.
What can you tell me about coconut oil?
Coconut oil makes a great moisturizer for your body, and your hair, but coconut oil you don't want to use on your face. Coconut oil will clog the tiny pores on your face. It can cause bumps and things like that, but it's great for your body. If you have dry skin in particular, after a shower, you can just take some coconut oil. If you're going to use it that way, I recommend taking it out of your container that you have for cooking and putting it into a little container that you keep in your bathroom and use it for moisturizing. Some people will use it for oil pulling to clean their mouth out. So they put some coconut oil in there and just sort of swish it around and then spit it in the toilet. You never want to spit coconut oil into the sink because it hardens and it will clog your pipes. So yeah, and you can use it as a hair conditioner, mixing it with a little bit of warm water and putting it in your hair. That's something you would want to do on the weekend because you're going to have to wash it a couple times before it doesn't look greasy, but it really does a great job of like repairing split ends and smoothing dry hair. So those type of things you can use coconut oil for very safely, and it's very, very, very effective.
For more information, be sure to contact your local extension office. Thanks for joining us today on the Farm and Home Show, and we'll see you next time.